Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Apps in Microsoft Teams can expand its functionality by incorporating files, tools, dashboards, and more from other analytics, education, scheduling, productivity, and project management software. Using apps in Teams improves workflow and efficiency by giving team members access to a variety of different resources from a single workspace. Some apps are built into Teams, while others need to be approved by your Teams administrator. Apps show up in a few different places depending on the app's functionality and design. Some apps also have bots with whom you can communicate. To add an app in Teams, click the Apps button that appears at the bottom of the app bar. Then either type a search term into the Search field at the top of the app window, or filter the apps by using the App category links. Then click to select an app to open its description screen, which explains the app's capability, permissions, and where it appears in Teams. To add the app, click the Add button. To open an added app in Teams, click the More Added Apps ellipsis in the app bar. Type the name of an app in the search field or scroll through the list of apps and then click it to select it. To pin an opened app to the app bar for easy access in the future, right-click it and select Pin from the menu. To remove an app pinned to the app bar, right-click it and select Unpin from the menu instead. You can use some apps as tabs in both channels and chats to share content and work collaboratively with others. To add an app to a tab, click the Add Tab button, which looks like a plus sign at the top of the channel or chat. In the Add a Tab window, then select the desired app. Some apps require you to log in before you can use them. Some require you to enter a name for the tab or enter other specific information. Follow the prompts for the chosen app to add the tab and launch the app. The same app can be used in multiple channels and chats. Some apps let you insert app content directly into a chat message or channel conversation. To use one of these apps, click the Messaging Extensions ellipsis at the end of the Compose Message toolbar and select the app. If needed, you can pin the app to the Compose Message toolbar for easy access in the future. To pin it, right-click the app and select the Pin command from the menu. To unpin an app, right-click its button in the Compose Message toolbar and select Unpin from the menu. Some apps act as bots by answering questions, retrieving information, or following commands. Depending on the bot app, you interact with bots by using the @mention feature in a channel conversation, chat, or by searching using the command box. Many apps can also act as connectors, which broadcast app notifications directly into a channel. To configure these app notifications, click the Teams button in the app bar, then select the desired channel. Click the More Options ellipsis next to the channel and select Connectors from the menu. In the Connectors window, click the Configure button next to the desired app and follow the prompts. Also note that you can add a new app from this window by clicking the Add button next to the app if desired. Several apps offer personal app capabilities, allowing you to use the app outside of a channel or chat, but still within Microsoft Teams. For example, OneNote provides a private workspace within Teams, while apps like Planner let you view your personal tasks and activities in the app. To access an app you've added with a personal view, click the More Added Apps ellipsis in the app bar, and then select the app. To uninstall an app that you installed, open the app if needed in Teams to display the Apps button in the app bar or the Compose message bar. Then right-click the Apps button and select Uninstall from the menu, and then click the Uninstall button to confirm its uninstallation.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.